This is the Foldeasy Toilet Frame, and here's how to use it. Place the frame in front of your toilet and open each leg until the spring clips lock safely into place. Walk into the frame and lift it towards your toilet, then unclip the footplate, ease it down onto the floor and snap it into place. Move the Foldeasy into its final position, then turn around, place your feet on the footplate for added security, and, using the ergonomic armrests, safely and comfortably lower yourself down. Once you're ready, use those same armrests to lift yourself off the toilet, your feet still firmly on the footplate, making sure everything remains stable. Pack your Foldeasy by simply reversing the procedure. Footplate back up and clipped on. Then, splay each frame leg, pinch the spring clips and close the legs back in. Fully height adjustable and portable, meaning anyone can use it confidently anywhere.